Take a ride in the 2026 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, glass breakage sensor, power moonroof, dual pane panoramic power sunroof. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.